Hi, today let's install a LUNA2000 battery. The battery can store and release electricity. Unpack and make sure the accessories are complete. Let's start installing the battery. Pay attention to the heat dissipation space during installation. Step 1. Place the floor support 10 to 15 mm away from the wall and mark the hole positions for the floor support using a level. Step 2. Use the marking off template to mark the mounting holes on the wall. Step 3. Drill holes with the hammer drill and install expansion bolts on the wall. Step 4. Secure the floor support. Install the first battery module and secure the connecting plates on both sides. Install the remaining battery module and power control modules in sequence. Secure the connecting plates on both sides before installing the next module. Install and secure the wall mounting ear. We have completed the battery installation. Connect cables between modules. Connect the cables to the internal modules of the battery. First, connect the PE cable in sequence. Step 2. Use the tools delivered with the battery to remove the DC protective caps and connect the cascaded DC power cables in sequence. Step 3. Route the signal cable through the terminal and connect the signal cable in sequence. Connect inverters and parallel batteries. First, install the ground cable of the battery and connect it to the ground bar. Connect DC power cables to the inverter and parallel battery. Then install the PE DC power cable. There are 4 steps, taking the positive pole as an example. Crimping, inserting, fastening. Connect one end of the DC power cable to the battery and the other end to the inverter. Connect signal cables. First, let's see how to make signal terminals. Remove the signal terminal from the device. Remove the signal terminal and route and strip cables. Pay attention. Check the diagram of the battery terminal. Connect the signal cable to the signal terminal. Insert one end of the signal cable into the battery port. Let's see the signal cable connections on the LUNA2000 3 kTL to 10 kTL and 1. Connect communications cables to both sides of the battery and inverter. Let's see the signal cable connections of the LUNA2000 2 kTL to 6 kTL L1. In parallel scenarios, connect the communication cables to both sides of the battery and inverter. Connect DC power cables to both sides of the battery and inverter. Install the protective cover. Congratulations, you have installed the LUNA2000 battery. Thank you for your watching. If you need more help, please pay attention to the Fusion Solar service, and thanks.